Alright, today we're looking at a 2021 Subaru Crosstrek. This is the base model, but it shouldn't matter. Essentially, we bought this little auto stop start little adapter, which is supposed to automatically turn off your auto start stop. So you can see it has the little cross across it. It says off. So every time you turn on the car, it should automatically have it in the off position, which will be an amber A that you will see on the dash. So let's go ahead and try to install this. From what I'm being told, that module, that connector should be down here. So you can just pull that off. So if you look down here, it is actually this gray, light gray connector. So you want to use a flathead and pull this guy out. So all you do is connect that female end, the gray part, to what's coming out of the car. And yeah, this end will just connect back to the back of this button. There we go. We hooked it up. It is tucked in right there. Here's the connector. Pulls this back up. And let's go ahead, turn it on, and see how it goes. I think I have the key on me. Keep an eye out for So as you can see, it automatically put it in the amber A.